All right, welcome back to the whitchermath channel. Sorry, I'm kind of fighting the tail end of a cold here, so if my voice sounds horrible, mute the sound. I wish I could. Okay, today's focus is going to be combining like terms, as you can tell by the title. This is episode 2, so this is following up on the previous video. I just kind of defined what terms are and what it means to combine them. Just for a quick review, the word combine means put together. I'm going to keep it in simple language here. Like means same, and terms are stuff. So we're going to put together same stuff. Now when you're looking at a long, unsimplified expression like this on a worksheet or in a book, it can be confusing what to do first. There's a lot to keep track of. It's easy to miss something or to count something twice. So this episode, I'm going to focus on post-it note terms. What I've done here is, well, you'll see. Let's just do this. Putting all the terms, right, that are in this expression up on the paper here. They're too big to get all of them on here, but it's 2x. Where's a 2x? There's one. If you could only see what I had going on off camera here, you'd freak out, but there's post-it notes everywhere. So first of all, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 terms in this expression. I've got 7 post-it notes. What I want you to notice here is the things that are the same, the like things, are in the same colored post-it notes. Okay. Now the reason I'm using post-it notes to demonstrate this is it's an easy visual. You can do this at home. You could train your 5-year-old to combine like terms. And you know, not to insult you with that, but if you're able to explain it and break it down that far, chances are you really know what you're doing and you will be able to do it very well. So first thing I'm going to do is just shuffle these things around so all the same colors are together. Okay, kind of like that. Now I can rewrite this expression. Now that it's been regrouped, I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, so I have 3x squared minus x squared makes 2x squared. I only had one blue post-it note, so I'm just going to write what that is. I only had one orange one, so I'm just going to write what that is. And I had 3 numbers over here, 3 yellow ones. I've got a plus 4, and I've got a minus 5, which equals minus 1. So I'm going to put that right there. And voila, we are done. So that's the idea of combining like terms using post-it notes as a colorful visual to show you how easy this is. It's just putting the same things together, and when you have more of one of the same type of term, for example, we had 3 yellow notes here, then you need to add or subtract those items. Okay, technically we're adding all of these items. I had 4 and -2 and -3. So it's all adding. We're adding positives and negatives. Okay, let's do another example using the post-it notes. And then we'll call this good. So this isn't, the idea here is not that you're going to show up to class with a whole bunch of post-it notes and do it this way. But if this makes sense and you practice once or twice, it's going to be a visual that you always have in your head, and then when the problems start to look more difficult, you can look back to this and really work at keeping things simple, because they are. Okay, here comes a new one. Let's go bam, bam, cha-ching, ba-bing, boom. Put that there. And let's throw these in. That's a nice long expression. First, let me write what this might look like without post-it notes. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus x squared plus 2x minus 2x. Okay, so there's a big long expression which I've represented with post-it notes. So notice that the key to making this work is, of course, putting the same type of terms on the same color notes. So you notice I got the x squares there, the y's, and so on. Okay, now all we're going to do is pick them and stick them. Pick them and stick them. You drummers out there, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Boom. Got them all together. Those are like terms. How do we know that? Well, that's a term. That's a term. And they're the same color. Like means same. Okay, let's put them together. And let's be done with this video. 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared. 2y plus 4y is 6y. 2x and negative 2x makes nothing, so we're not going to put anything there. Here's a zero pair, right? 1 minus 1 equals 0, so that leaves us with 5. So we took this big long expression up here that was all mixed up, and it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took this 9-term expression and simplified it, and now it only has 3 unique terms. Yeah, cool stuff. Okay, so think post-it notes when you're trying to keep these things straight in your head. Thanks for watching, and if there's an episode 2, you can bet there will be an episode 3 trying to show you some other way to make this easy. Combine like terms to simplify algebraic expressions. Bye for now. Thanks for watching the Whitcher Math channel.